Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this cassava cake with custard toppings, and this cake guys has no sugar added in it, yeah. So I will try how it is like, yeah. I tell you guys, it is melt in your mouth. And the other thing is the sweetness of this cake with the custard on top. It's really well blended and it's really worth trying this. And now I'm gonna show you how to make this, yeah. So first of all guys, I have this 1.2 kilo of tapioca. So I have to grate this, yeah, using this thing, yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna mix the remaining ingredients, yeah. And now I have this 1 cup fresh coconut milk, put inside, and 1 cup evaporated milk, you also put inside, and I have this half cup of condensed milk, and 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. So we mix this one properly. I don't want to put sugar guys because the condensed milk is already sweet and I don't want it to be too sweet because later on I have to put the custard as a topping. So condensed milk is just enough to sweeten this cassava cake, yeah. And lastly, I have this 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, yeah. Now we're gonna mix this. So guys, I already mixed this one properly. Now I'm gonna transfer this one into the gray pan, which is 8 by 12. Okay. So we're gonna put it in the preheated oven for 1 hour, yeah. So guys, while we're waiting for the cassava cake to be cooked, now I'm gonna prepare my custard as the topping, yeah. So first of all, I have these 3 eggs, but I only need the egg yolk, yeah. So I have to take out the egg yolk out of it, yeah. And with this, we're gonna mix this one with half cup of evaporated milk, and 1/3 cup of condensed milk, yeah. And I have to add in half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now what we do is we're gonna mix this. Okay, so now we wait for our cassava cake to be ready, and we're gonna put this one on top and bake again for a few minutes, yeah. So guys, now my cassava is almost cooked. Now I'm gonna put in my custard. But before I put in this one, I'm gonna sieve this because I don't want all the bubbles, yeah. Okay. And now I'm gonna pour this one in. And we put back this one inside the oven to continue baking for 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah. So this is it, guys. I bake it again for 30 minutes because I want this one to be more darker color. And look at this. And look at that. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.